M0FXB. So we've got ourselves a jumbo hotspot to go with our digital radio. Highly recommend that. You can access the internet and the whole planet and have many contacts using a small little jumbo hotspot like this, but there are many different types available. So the good thing about Fusion is it's the easiest one to use, because all you need to enter in your radio is your call sign, a simplex frequency, and put yourself in digital narrow mode. So let's just remind ourselves of where our call sign is. Just hold down DISP and then go scroll down or tap the screen, call sign here, and just make sure you've got your call sign in there, M0FXB, and then back out. Okay, so that's the essential thing. Then go to VFO mode and type in the frequency that you have decided for your hotspot. So on mine, it's tap the screen there, 43880, and look, make sure your mode says DN, and I would do it without the line above. The line is AMS. It will switch back to FM if it receives an FM signal. But anyway, just put DN here. So right now I'll show it quickly working. We are now going to be able to talk to our 70 centimeter jumbo hotspot, and we just key the mic, M0FXB test, and you can see it comes to sort of live there. Now I'll just show you my settings and just give you a quick brief overview on what you do with PiStar. Now a lot of you will get one of these pre-configured, and they might even have the username and password of your router. Let's just turn that down. A lot of you will just have to add your username and password into the SD card that's on this. So you just slip out the SD card here, put it into your PC with an adapter, and then you just add your details. I'll show you that. It's called Wi-Fi Builder on PiStar. So this is what it looks like. I'll put the link in the description, and you just put in here your username where it says SSID. Then where it says PSK, you put in the password of your router at home. Click submit. You see this little file here that's appeared at the bottom of my screen, like so. Just go, click the up arrow, click show in folder, and when your SD card is plugged into your PC or laptop, just slide that into it. So it'll be here somewhere under PC. Your SD card will show. Just slide it into it. That's all you need to do. Put that back into your jumbo hotspot, and then reboot, and it should come, it should basically start communicating. If you've got a blank jumbo hotspot and you need to load the whole thing from scratch, then what you're going to have to do is get a program like BALENA ETCHER, which will transfer the image. You can't just slide it across. You do have to transfer it using something like this. Then go to PiStar Downloads, and the one I would select is this bottom one here, nearly always in PiStar Downloads, and then transfer that, save that to your PC by just click that, and it'll give you the latest version of PiStar here. And once you've got that zip, you'll have the image that you need. So when you go to BALENA ETCHER there and run that program, you'll be able to click flash from file. You'll find the program. There's the one I've had from the past. Double click that, and then select target, so it'll tell you to select it, then flash, and you want it to complete without any errors. That'll go onto your SD card, put that back in, but don't forget you still have to add your username and password. If you get stuck, buy an adapter, a USB adapter to Ethernet, and plug it straight into your Ethernet cable on your broadband router, and then it'll work. It's a lot quicker that way, and then you can go into your settings on PiStar. You can click configuration. PiStar is the username, Pi-star, then Raspberry, sign in. Once you've signed in, you can scroll down and you can actually configure your Wi-Fi at the bottom here. Here, just literally click configure, and then you can add, there's mine there, look, see? But otherwise, once you're all set up, you go on the dashboard, and it should look like this, and you should have all green here, green, and your frequency will be here. I'll show you my configuration. You definitely need to select YSF mode here, then scrolling down, put in your call sign. You may as well put your DMR number if it allows, because it might not allow that in YSF at first. Frequency you're going to use, and then the most important is the type of hotspot you're going to use here with the drop down list here, like so. And then once you've got the correct thing in, mine is defaulted loading at FCS00390 America link, which is always busy and works well. And once you've got all that in, just click apply changes and you'll be back here like so. And then so back to your hotspot. Let's do another test there. I think we had, when I was just talking, I think we did have a quick test. So let's just give it a go. So hotspot's connected. So M0 FXB, Mike 0 Fox X-ray Bravo, audio check. See if KBD, KB2 comes back to us, and it will show up on our dashboard. There you go, KB2, KBD, very helpful on America Link. Oh, hi Ken, good morning. Yeah, just testing out an FT2D and a little jumbo hotspot. Just wondered what the audio was like. So thanks for that, M0FXB.
Okay, sir. Well, it sounds good. Sounds audio's...
You see the dashboard there changing. Oh, thanks. Yeah, it's just an old set that someone's lent me just to do a few videos, and I thought I'd give it a good test. But yeah, they work well, don't they, the FT2?
Yeah, it's actually pretty cool. If it's got the SD card in it and stuff, you can send photos, text messages and stuff through all the networks. It's fun.
Yeah, we do like tinkering with different sets here. So thanks, Ken. Hope you're well. And it's over here, it's 9 a.m. I've been away for a week in Spain. So it's 9 a.m. and just playing radio while everyone's asleep. So catch you later, Ken. Take care. 7-3 M0FXB. Okay, and then what I'll do now is I'll show you how you can hit the X button and do search direct.
All right, sir. 7 3s. Have a good night. KV2, KVD. Oh, it's early morning here. It's probably around 3 a.m. or something like that. 7 3s. KV2, KVD.
Right, so that's nice of Ken to come back to us, and the time in the USA must be about, I don't know, 3 in the morning, isn't it? So anyway, hit the X button, watch this, and you'll see it come to life here as well. We're now into the sort of YAESU system. They call it like a handshake between this radio and a hotspot. So it means that we don't have to use our computer program to control where we go. So we've got a couple of choices. It says here we're linked to CQ UK, or we could link. If I tap that there, it should link to CQ UK, like so. Or we can do, which we just did, or we can do search direct. And you could have stored memories. Now you can either select all, and it's going to list, I think, the first 20. Here, yeah, it's found a few here. Look, you can scroll down, and when it gets to the bottom, it scrolls another list. You can select one and it will connect, or we can go back, we can go search direct, and here you can actually type in names or numbers. Now if it's a name, you do it now, just do the alphanumeric keys in the normal way, or you've got the ability to add ID, which is a number. So get the numbers off of the PiStar site, I would say. So here's numbers here, just on the PiStar site. It's under, just click YSF, and then you get this list here. So should we try one? This is for fun. Let's have a look now. You've got YSF DTMF, and you've got the YSF number. So we'll try this one here. Well, we haven't got a name on that one. Let's try one with a name. So CQ World 91944. Let's try 91944. Hit enter. See if it finds it. Yeah, there you go. And it should be called CQ World. So that's how you search by ID number. Let's go back and do that again. We'll go back. Let's go back completely. Let's hit the X. Let's hit search direct. Let's go to all. Let that populate. It works so well. Let's choose one. Star Trek, why not? Seems we're connected. And you'll notice it's showing that we've got local news and international news as well. You've got log for you can send pictures and messages back. I'm pretty sure you can have a microphone for this, a camera microphone as well. So let's go back again. And this time let's go search direct, and we'll do that, and we'll put in a ID number again. So let's look one up on the PiStar here, PiStar list here. So there's one there, CQ South Australia 24465. So ID entry 24465, and then hit enter. There you are, we're in South Australia. So you see how it works. You can completely walk around the house just with your handheld and a little jumbo hotspot, and you don't have to go to the computer. So hope this helps you learn how to use this. There is obviously PDN mode, which is the YAESU system, which allows you access to the whole system. But the PiStar access is still very good. OpenSpot 3, all that kind of stuff. So 7.3, thanks for watching my channel. Catch you on air, all the best.